Welcome to the best game ever made, Sinking Simulator. Very most accurate ever. It is break everything and sink. Thing too. It's so fun. Actually, it kinda does get really fun and funny. At least. See, now the Titanic is splitting. There's only one little cage attached. And all the funnels have collapsed. Now that is gone. Now it's just sinking funnily. I think this is gonna go straight. There we go. Now it's gonna sink. Weird. Now what sinking simulator is it's sinking simulator. I also have a game shoot simulator. I might do a review on that. That one's still attached. Not anymore. Now, if you ever want to download this, download link will be in the description. It comes in as if you have to unzip it, blah blah blah. All that fun stuff that you normally do is zip files. Now that's detached. And watch this. Watch how it slams into the ground. I love it. Watch. Let's go. Go boom. And that's how the Titanic really sank. Then this happened. The front of in the air. Love that. That's like the best thing you can do to sink a ship. Just go murder. No. So now we're gonna do the sinking of this, whatever the heck this is. I'm not even sure. I might play some Ship Simulator 2008. Me sinking the Titanic. Well, somewhat. But so yeah. So here's what happens to this ship. Hull gets in this first compartment. Starts flooding. And then a giant explosion happens. And it starts sinking. And then a million orcs live in that vent. Whee! Go. And you know what's gonna happen next. It's gonna completely sink and die. Murder. So yeah. The sinking thing. It's the name Sinking Simulator. It's not really that much of a simulator. Then it starts breaking. I'm gonna break. Whee! Then it starts. And it just gets worse. So, only one little. The ship starts collapsing into itself before only these little strings are holding it together. Then one string is holding the entire ship together. Then the funnels start falling off, which this guy inaccurately made a part of the ship. So yeah, only one of the funnels actually stays on. So yeah, of course, this thing gets cut open. And all the wires get cut off. And they fall. Now the ship is falling, and I think it needs to go a bit. It's taking too long. So this one little part, it's still. Honestly. The look at the way it's wobbly. Yeah. Yeah. The funnel still there.
Knew it.
Sorry about that. Snowing. And look, the valve is breaking itself apart. Once it hits the ground, it's gonna go probably gonna break all the funnels. Broke it off. Now, yeah. No, I'm not gonna do it. Maybe I should. Look at all the stresses. All in that one little on those kind of areas. No, I'm not gonna troll the ship. I'm just gonna let it sink itself. Then a different ship will be chosen. Let's see what's gonna hit. Still gonna change the ship. Then put the ground with a venom. Oh, yeah, it's gonna break itself apart. Now we're gonna choose a different ship. How about 7? I've heard this ship is supposed to be the most unsinkable thing ever made. So unsinkable, it's crazy. It's the boring thing ever. Now I'm gonna make it fly. Now we're gonna put a hole in it, see how fast this sinks. A big giant hole in it, see how fast it sinks. Put an even bigger hole in it, see how fast it sinks. Yeah, it's gone. Then it splits in half. Then the funnels fall off. Then the mast. And then the other mast. And then it just eventually just breaks. Or not. I think it's actually gonna stay attached. Oh, is it gonna make a flip? Oh my gosh. I think it's gonna actually turn over on its side. Yeah, that's the point of Sinking Simulator. Yeah, bye.